She's so beautiful. And buggy.
We'd better get to our stations.
Yep. Blip and Bolts, prepare for battle.
Hello? The team is the Thunderbolts? My name is Bolts? They named it after me? Bolts?
So they named it after you 20 years before you were built?
They were planning ahead.
Really?
Really?
What was your rank?
Super.
Super.
Super... awesome?
Super awesome. Way too easy.
Blip, you flag hog!
Sorry, dude!
Blunderbolts, what are you screwballs doing out there?
Don't you be mean, you tubby old fella. Get a bucket to the brain and a boot to the bella.
This could be our big chance.
Really? Big chance for what?
To get close to Tiger Jackson and find out if he's an agent of Dr. Blood. And when we have 100% proof that Tiger is an agent of Dr. Blood, I'll,
You're right! Maybe he,
Dr. Blood.
I could,
Dr. Blood! 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 Dr. Blood!
Oh, knock it off already! Are you guys always like this? Sadly, yes.